Hello, welcome to Devil's World Recipes. Today, I bring you a very classic dish from the Basque Country. It's Bacalao a la Vizcaina or Biscayne cod. This is a very simple dish and it uses one of the four mother sauces from Basque Cuisine, which is the Biscayne sauce. Do not confuse this with the Biscayne cod that is made for Christmas. This is a separate dish. It's delicious, it's very simple, and it only uses a few ingredients. I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need are 2 pounds of cod, 1 white onion, 1 purple onion, 4 ounces of choricero pepper paste, 3/4 cups of olive oil, 4 garlic cloves, salt to taste, and some parsley to garnish. For this recipe, one of the main ingredients we're going to need for our Biscayne sauce is the choricero peppers. You can find them dry like this. You can find them in the choricero pepper paste. You can find all of this on Amazon, but if you can't find them, you can substitute with roasted red bell peppers and add a couple of tablespoons of paprika. Now, today we're going to use the pepper paste. Is the easiest option, but if you decide to use the dry choricero peppers, which are very good, you just need to rehydrate them with warm water, open them up and scrape the meat, and that would be the same as this. Now, let's get cooking. First, we're going to cut both our onions, the white and the purple, into halves. I'm going to use a mandolin and I'm going to cut both onions into small julienne strips. We're going to warm up a big skillet to medium-low heat. And once it's warm, we're going to add all our olive oil. Once our olive oil is warm, we're going to add our garlic cloves full. And we're going to let them sit there for a few minutes just to infuse the olive oil. Once the oil is warm, we're going to start adding our cod fillets one at a time, skin side down. We're going to let them cook for about 5 minutes without flipping. After the 5 minutes have passed, we're just going to remove them and set them to the side for now. I'm going to do the same thing with my other 2 fillets. And now we're going to add all our onions. We're going to use all the oil and leftover fish to poach our onions. We're going to add a little bit of salt. We're going to keep on moving until they soften and turn a little bit brown. Once our onions are ready, we're going to add our choricero pepper paste. And we're going to start mixing until everything incorporates. Once this mixture is ready, we're going to turn off the heat and I'm going to pass everything to my food processor. You can also use a blender. We're going to blend it for a few seconds and this is going to be our Biscayne sauce. If your sauce is a little bit thick, you can always add a little bit of water just to help it soften. We're going to mix it again. And our sauce is ready. Now back to the pan. We're going to put our sauce. We're going to turn it back to medium-low heat. And we're going to start warming up our sauce. Once it's warm, We're gonna add our cod fillets. Now skin side up. I'm gonna add all 4 of them right now. And don't forget to add all the juices from the plate where you had your cod. That is just a lot of flavor. We're gonna put our sauce covering all our fillets. And then we're gonna cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. As we wait for our cod to finish cooking, it's a perfect moment for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to get notifications where new videos are coming, click on the bell. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like, that it always helps. Don't forget to also follow us on Instagram or our new Facebook page. And now, let's finish it up. After the 5 minutes have passed, we're going to cover our pan and turn off the heat. We're ready to plate. So now I'm going to chop a little bit of parsley real fine to use as garnish. I'm going to put one of the fillets in a dish and cover it in sauce. I'm getting a little bit of parsley and we're ready to eat. Our Bacalao a la Vizcaina, or Biscayne cod, is ready. Let's try it. The cod is so flaky. It's cooked perfectly. That sauce is delicious. It's one of the mother sauces in Basque Cuisine. A very good dish. Very simple and quick. Give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.